Peace from Chile.
Hello, this is Chris. I'm sitting in, I don't know, in the Himalayas with these nice people here, so peace.
And peace from England, from Nepal. Peace.
And traveling for how long?
2.5, well, yeah, just over 2 years. 2.5 years. Excellent.
Great.
No? Peace from England.
Hola, Argentina. Peace from Austria.
Peace from Argentina.
Only peace from Nepal.
Peace from Argentina. Peace of Korea. I will
Peace from Nepal. Peace from Nepal.
Peace from Korea.
Peace from China.
Peace from Austria. Hello, I bet you didn't expect to hear this voice from this face. Well, I just want to say, peace from Joss. That's my name.
Okay, peace from Canada, and Pink Floyd is the best band.
Namaste and peace from Canada.
I'm sick on 2,500 meters, but peace from Switzerland.
From China. Yeah. Peace from China. Do you know?
Peace from Korea.
Okay, peace from Changsha.
Peace from Bulgaria.
Peace! Because people spend money on technology, on
Peace from
cars,
Pagoda.
but they don't spend it on what...
From me.
Peace from me.
No, that's the point. People always spend money
Fuck you.
on technology, on all that stuff. They think, oh, that's good, I need new blah blah blah. And that. But they don't spend money on what's
Important in life.
yeah, what's
we
the
still
point?
have
Technology.
Technology. Fucking Germans.
I hate German.
Has everybody been?
What?
I think.
What's important? Warheads.
I hate Englishmen.
What's important? Important is living, thinking about what we want.
Overtaking the world.
There's only one thing that's important, and that is having lots of sex.
Yeah, that's
See? Everyone
This for ending.
Everyone agrees.
Good ending of this video.
That's all it boils down to, is having
Yeah,
lots of
having lots of sex.
that's
good sex, not shit sex.
actually that's what it's all about.
What? Sex?
Yeah, that's what it's all about. My paintings are all about sex.
Elaborate.
Everything I do is all about sex.
But that's not a problem. It's all about sex because that's what keeps people going.
It is.
Recreation.
Okay, so
The main goal in the man's life is
Is to fuck.
to fuck.
fuck, man.
Peace from Croatia.